Nectar Apiary is one of the most visually comforting biomes in the Honeyglow Woods, filled with the cozy warmth of the summer afternoon and the soft amber glow of the honeycombs. I brought Tigger from the Wishblossom Ranch to reunite him with his friends and decorated this biome to fit Tigger's relentless energy. I made a playground in front of his house and turned the rest of the space into a large hay maze filled with a charming rustic decor and an early fall atmosphere. If you're ready to turn Nectar Apiary into a playful home for Tigger, then let's get into it. I have Tigger's house and a toadstool bouncy castle placed in the wider part of the biome. And I'm going to start making a layout for the maze in the more narrow section. I'm using Hope's hay maze kit to make the maze walls. We also have the crafting straw bale pieces from the Wishblossom Ranch, but they are not tall enough and they come only in a couple different variations. When this maze kit is literally perfect for building maze walls. It comes with so many different pieces, and I'm not even using most of them. I'm mostly sticking to the double height horizontal pieces and the corners that I will be using for thicker walls to add some more variation to the layout. I made sure to have a wide enough walkways by placing the driftwood path first. It's just for measurements in the beginning and I will be removing it later. I'm going to roughly mark the maze path first, before finalizing wall placement. I also want to make sure to leave access to the mining nodes and the pond and the entrance to Ever Oak Tree. Outside of the maze, I'm placing the Pixie Acres building kit pieces. That is going to form this sort of carnival playground area with the bouncy castle in the center. This castle is from the bonus quest with Tigger, if you have both Honeyglow Woods and the Wishblossom Ranch DLCs. I'm not sure if you have to bring Tigger here first to activate the quest. Let me know because I had this quest pop up after I completed Honeyglow Woods' story, and my Tigger was already here. Next, I'll go back and actually build the hay walls properly. I'm also going to have a lot of these pockets and just wide enough walkways to be able to decorate this place inside of a maze. I want to add some scarecrows, planter boxes, crates and barrels, and pumpkins scattered around. So when walking through the maze, there's always something new waiting around the corner. Now that the walls are done, I can remove all the driftwood planks because next I'm going to add the leaf straw path covering the maze floor. Initially, I wanted to leave some yellow grass patches around the walls, but it wasn't blending very well, so I covered the entire floor with the pathing. And this leaf straw path is the version without borders because the borders look too uniform. On the back of the maze, near the entrance to the Braveheart Grove, I added the windmill. That corner would not fit the hay walls anyway, so I'm going to decorate it with some rustic storage items. Next, I'm going to continue the leaf straw path outside the maze and create this winding path section to connect the entrance to the Drowsy Bloom Acre and the entrance to the maze. Outside the maze entrance, I placed this Mickey Mouse topiary, and I'm going to add some fall themed and rustic decor around it. To the right side of the path, I'm going to decorate around Tigger's house with the campsite and a play area. I love this blanket fort and a darling play tent from Peter Pan, but I don't get to use it very often, and I feel like they fit Tigger's play area perfectly. I'm using the sunflower hopscotch as a pathing border here. It is one of the rewards for playing Pooh Sticks. I know it's technically a hopscotch and it has numbers on it, but I really like how nice it looks around this path, and I don't even notice numbers when walking through. I'm going to add a couple seating areas surrounded with bushes and flowers to further separate the playground area. I use the garden planter boxes from the Brick Garden Premium Shop set. If you place flowers and any other resources on top of an item, then the vacuums will not pick it up. So I decided to decorate these lanterns with the foxglove flowers. I think they're one of the best looking flowers we have in the game now. I also added a crafting and cooking stations underneath the Pixie Acres Market building, and the vacuum is tucked away behind it. For the last step, I'm going to bring that rustic and fall-themed decor inside the maze. It was the most fun part of decorating, adding all these pumpkins and honey jars. I think I'm ready for the fall decorating and Halloween vibes. And this biome already has the perfect aesthetic for it. Nectar Apiary turned out so cozy and playful with Tigger's house. It feels just like stepping inside of illustrated Winnie the Pooh storybook and feeling like a child again. The maze is really fun to explore and stumble upon a character. Also, I think I found the best use for a Huffalump hot air balloons by adding them above this maze. It instantly brought that extra whimsy and nostalgia. Thank you so much for watching till the end. With this build, I have completed decorating my Honeyglow Woods, so stay tuned for the full tour in the near future. I hope you enjoyed this cozy speed build and that it gave you some ideas for decorating your Nectar Apiary and Tigger's house. If you liked the video, consider leaving a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone!